Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a Facebook business page step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Facebook website. Log into your personal Facebook account. Once logged in, look for the Create button in the top right corner. Click on Create and then select Page from the drop-down menu. Choose between business or brand and community or public figure. For a business page, select Business or Brand. Click on Get Started. Select your business category from the drop-down menu. As you type, Facebook will suggest relevant options. Choose the most appropriate category for your business. Now, enter the address of your business. Once you fill in the required fields, click Continue. Next, upload a profile picture for your business. This image will represent your brand on Facebook. You can also add a cover photo. This adds visual appeal to your page. After you finish uploading images, click Next. Fill out additional details about your business. This may include a description, phone number, and website. Click Continue to review your page setup. Take a moment to ensure all details are correct. Once satisfied, click Publish Page. Your Facebook business page is now live. You can start customizing it with posts and further details. Explore features such as adding a call to action button and setting up messaging. Regularly update your page to engage with your audience. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your Facebook business page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.